Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix slow access to network drives in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand services. Click and expand LAN MAN workstation. Click parameters. Right-click New DWORD 32-bit value. Type directory cache lifetime, D, C, and L are capital letters. Value data is 0. Click OK and exit registry editor. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.